Numerous Cubio drawer divider options are available to help customers enhance and tailor storage solutions. These organize contents for easy location and retrieval, maximizing space in the process whilst protecting parts from becoming damaged. Galvanized metal dividers allow custom layouts to be easily created and amended as requirements change. They are available in various heights and fully adjustable in 25mm increments. And whilst pre-selected kits are available for most common applications, bespoke solutions can be specified as a means of creating a customized solution. Tough plastic divider boxes can be supplied in a wide range of sizes. These removable boxes enable ergonomic component retrieval and are made from a hard-wearing, impact-resistant plastic. Like their box counterparts, durable troughs come in a wide range of sizes, all of which can be subdivided and removed to provide a flexible layout. The channels are made from the same robust, impact-resistant plastic and feature a curved base that allows easy retrieval of product. This option also provides a secure, space-efficient way to store cylindrical items. To provide additional component protection in the process, customers often opt for mats. These can be used in conjunction with metal dividers. Completing the offering are foam inserts that can be readily cut to suit stored items. In addition to providing instant identification of missing items, their protective nature means they can go a long way in safeguarding the life of valuable contents.